Have you come to the awareness that you would have more opportunities if you were good at math? Maybe you don't know how to go about getting good at math, but are willing to put in the time and effort. Some people think getting good at math means mastering calculus, but there are not many people who require calculus in their lives to be successful. Most people, however, would benefit from knowing algebra and some geometry. Check out my channel, Do the Math America. You can find me on YouTube and my more recent videos also on BitChute. My channel is set up as a boot camp from flashcards through fractions and beyond. The videos are in a sequential fashion. Each skill set learned and mastered becomes the foundation for the next skill to be learned. Each of my videos include exercises for you to practice and develop your skills. Take my 100-hour challenge. Spend time watching the videos and doing the practice problems, and you will find you have made huge progress in getting good at math. The cost to rent a car is $20 per day plus 20 cents per mile. Find the cost per day to rent the car if you drive 120 miles. Hint, C equals 20 plus 0.20 times D, where D is the mileage. When we do a word problem like this, we start out by writing down the facts of the problem. So C would equal cost to rent a car per day. And the cost is $20 plus 20 cents per mile. So 20 cents, we write that as $0.20, and then we multiply that by D, which is the number of miles. So the miles given by the problem is 120 miles. The figure that we will substitute for the variable D. So on the next line, we rewrite the problem. C equals 20 plus 0.20 times 120. And we replace D for 120. Now we need to do a side calculation. What is 120 times 0.20? So we set that calculation up on the side, making sure not to crowd the main part of our problem. 120 times 0.2 equals, we multiply that out, ignoring the decimal at first, getting 240, and then we count how many decimal places to move that final decimal point over. We count one scoop from the factor of 0.2, which means we need to move the decimal point one scoop or one decimal place also in the product to end up with 24. We bring 24 back into the problem, and we now have C equals 20 plus 24, which equals 44. So the cost to rent a car will be $44. And we box our answer.